Hi, welcome to our video on finding sources in the Opposing Viewpoints and Context database. We will begin at the UA-Pulaski Technical College Ottenheimer Library's homepage, located at uaptc.edu/library. If you are in a course where you have been asked to write an argumentative essay, Opposing Viewpoints and Context is a good database to use. This database features viewpoint essays, which are essays that take a side. You can use these essays to support your argument or give you alternate views if you have to address more than one side of a topic. The library website has a box to search all available databases at one time. However, if you use this box, viewpoint essays from Opposing Viewpoints and Context will not be easy to find in your results. To search directly in Opposing Viewpoints and Context, click on the Databases button to see a list of all available databases. On this screen you will see an alphabetical list of databases. We can either scroll down to Opposing Viewpoints and Context, or click on the O to jump to databases with names that start with O. Click on the database name Opposing Viewpoints and Context. You will need to log in using your UA-PTC portal username and password if you are off campus. You now see the Opposing Viewpoints and Context search screen. Let's do a search for information on mobile apps. As you are typing the topic in the search box, the database tries to help you out by offering suggestions. If you decide to select one of these suggestions, make sure it is the one that best matches your topic. Then click the search button. This is our results screen. Some topics will have an overview essay that tells you about the topic before you see the results. Not every topic will have an overview. You can choose to read more about the topic or scroll past it to see the search results. In addition to viewpoint essays, Opposing Viewpoints and Context also has non-editorial articles from magazines and newspapers and audio and video clips. Results are sorted by source type. The number in parentheses beside the source type is the number of sources under each one. Viewpoint essays are found in two places: featured viewpoints and viewpoints. Featured viewpoints are not duplicated under viewpoints, so you will have to look under both links to access all of viewpoint essays. Scrolling down past the links by source type, you will see the links to the top 3 sources for each source type. So even though we know we have 6 featured viewpoints, we see only 3 articles linked in this box. To see all of the featured viewpoints, click on either featured viewpoint link. Now we see the full list of featured viewpoint essays. Notice that the essays express many different opinions. You can tell by the titles of the first 2 viewpoint essays: Legislation to Protect the Privacy of App Users should be enacted by Congress, and The Software Industry, not Congress, should develop privacy guidelines for mobile apps, that these two make completely opposite arguments. Click the title of an article to view the full text. The full text of every viewpoint essay is followed by a list of books and periodicals for further reading. The source citation is located at the very bottom of the article. It should be fairly accurate to MLA, APA, and Chicago formats, but always compare this citation to your instructor's citation guidelines to make sure it is correct before using it in your paper. You can get a copy of this article using the links in the toolbar. The Send To button will allow you to email the article or save it to your Google Drive or OneDrive if you happen to use one of these cloud storage options. You can save a copy of the article with the Download button, and the Print button will produce a printer-friendly version of the article without any of the extra database headings. The Cite button produces a citation that duplicates the source citation at the bottom of the article. Once you are finished looking at this article, you can return to your original results list by clicking the Results link. This concludes our tutorial on the Opposing Viewpoints and Context database. Please contact UA-PTC libraries if you have any questions.